Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. This is Justin with the Way in the Wilderness channel. And today what I want to talk about is this small little kit right here on the front of my backpack. This backpack is the Savoda Yakari, and it is the large size if you were wondering. So it has webbing all around, and that's where I keep this Pathfinder Canteen Cook System. It's a really great kit, so I'm going to go ahead and pop it open, give you a quick look at it, and then I'm going to cook a meal here using the components that are in it. This is actually a 511 tactical, I believe it's called the 9x6 flex pouch, if I'm not mistaken. It's 9 inches this way, 6 inches this way. And so it's a pretty small kit overall, but it packs a big punch. There's a lot of components in here that are very convenient to have if you're out by yourself. You maybe could stretch it for 2 people, but it's, I believe, a perfect size for a 1-person cook system. The weight of the total kit is slightly over 5 pounds. Now, I know that is not ultralight. I'm not claiming that it's an ultralight kit or anything like that. The Pathfinder Canteen is actually a 39 fluid ounce canteen, and so the water alone is just over 2.5 pounds. So with the water and the other components, half of that weight is the water itself in the canteen. So it is over 5 pounds, but you have a lot of water and you have a lot of extra components to help you cook a meal, boil water, that sort of thing. What I like about it is, number one, how compact it is, and that it's all right here, easy access on the outside of my pack. I don't have to reach inside of my backpack for any of my cooking implements, implements to boil water, or even my drinks. My goal with this was to have a standalone kit that you could take out in the woods and be able to cook a meal, have a hot drink, and do everything that you need to do, including having something to put your hot meal on top of to eat, and obviously a utensil to eat with. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and bust open this single man Pathfinder Canteen Cook System, whatever you want to call it. So right as I open it, you'll see right here, it fits perfectly right on top of the lid, is one of these, I believe it's made by a company called Wildo. It's a Wildo Fold-A-Cup. Maybe you've seen these. It's kind of like a little plastic military style kuksa. And it actually folds in like this. You know, you've probably seen them before, but I actually leave it open. That way it can sit right here on top of the canteen, and it works out just perfectly right there. It's able to close and not sticking out or anything like that. So that's the first component. So I always have a cup with me. Off to the side, I have a Yuko spork. This is a titanium. Now, just behind the canteen kit itself, I keep a small little pouch. And I believe this is a P&W Bushcraft, like a waxed canvas pouch. Just had it laying around. I actually bought these in like a 3-pack. So what I have here are 4 aluminum tent stakes. And the reason that I have these in there is because I keep this small little grill grate, just a little flat pack grill grate, and I can stake these into the ground, and these will sit on top of it, and I can keep coals underneath to cook my meal. So I have those in there. And then at the very bottom, I keep this little chain here. It has a little piece of, I'm not sure what diameter it is, I can't remember. A little piece of wire here that I kind of have offset a little bit so that it'll drop down into my canteen cup and it'll catch on the sides, and you can pull it out of the fire. You can hang it over the fire. And then if you actually have a bush pot with you, I folded another one into kind of a little hook here and that way you can put the bail of your bush pot on that. You could hang your bush pot over the fire as well. So I keep that in there, and that's actually it inside of that little pouch. So just in this little single button pouch. Right behind that, I have just a little heavy duty, thick, I think it may be an 8 mil little Ziploc bag. I have a small Bic lighter, and I have a couple fire tenders in there. I also have a couple Catadine disinfectant tablets, water purification tablets, I'm sorry. I have a couple coffees. I have a tea, a green tea here, an herbal tea, and then I also have a pack of electrolytes. So I have a bunch of drinks, some coffee, tea, like I said, things like that, all right here, ready to go whenever I want them. Right behind that, I have this small little cutting board. I can use it as a plate if I had to. If I have some vegetables, something like that, you know, I can use this as just a cutting board. So there's that. And then the last thing in here is just the canteen itself. And again, this is the Pathfinder Canteen Set. As I stated before, it is a 39-ounce canteen, so a lot of water in here. And it comes with the nesting cup, so you have an additional cup. But in this kit, what I'll use this for is to actually cook my food mainly. I can heat up the water, pour myself a drink, and then I still have another vessel to cook in, and I could still be boiling water with my chain there. I could be using the canteen to boil more water, so it's a really versatile kit. Then it also, on the bottom of that, has a little stand that could also be used as another grill. You can elevate this off of the over the coals, and you could cook on top of this if you wanted to. So you just have a lot of options in a really small kit. So there's that. Got that the wrong way. So there's that whole kit there. And then the only other thing is the lid. So you also have a lid to help you boil water faster or whatever you need to do. So that is the entirety of the kit. So I'll get this all laid out so you can get a better look at it. All right, so as I said, it's all in this 511 tactical 9x6 flex pouch. Got the canteen set itself with the canteen, nesting cup, and the stove, and the lid for the nesting cup, which acts in this kit more as a pot. Have my drink mixes and my small fire kit. 4 aluminum tent stakes for my grill to stand on top of. I have my hanging device here for my canteen to boil water over, or like I said, if I had an actual bush pot, I could hang that as well. I have my spork, my eating utensil. I have an extra cup to have a hot drink or any kind of drink while I'm still utilizing the canteen. So I think it's very important to have an extra cup. I really like having that. And then my plate or my cutting board. So I think it's a really, really great cook system. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting my water hot. So I have a boil and bag rice that I'm gonna put inside of the canteen cup. So right now I need to get, I'm gonna go ahead and go a little heavy because I want to have a drink also. The boiling bag rice is going to take about 2 cups or so, I think is what it recommends. So I'm going to let this water heat up a little bit, let this wood burn down into some coals. I'll get my grill grate and I'll put that on top of my tent stakes. I have a couple of bacon and cheddar brats that I'm going to throw on top of my grill. First step is to get this water going a little bit. So kind of just mark it out where I need it. I actually saw this trick on one of Dave Canterbury's videos, and I thought it was pretty sweet. So there's that. There's that one there. All right, I'm thinking that's gonna work. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my other stuff, wait for these coals to die down a little bit more, and go ahead and get my meal going. Yep, that feels like it's holding up just fine. Having one of these pocket bellows is really nice too. So that it's getting there. And I'm good to go ahead and throw in my rice. This is a boiling bag rice, so I could just pop that down in there. And let that boil with the lid off. I think it's recommended 6-8 minutes, something like that. So I'll go ahead and put my lid off to the side. Now I got a hot tea going. Go ahead and start steeping that a little bit. That rice is going just fine. These are, yep, ready to flip. Yep, I think this is just going to turn out to be the perfect amount of firewood to get my meal cooked. The next step is I'm going to let these cook down a little bit more, these brats, and go ahead and plate everything up. This is actually my first time using this grill on top of these tent stakes, and it looks like it's doing a fantastic job. It's pretty sturdy, not having any issues at all with that, so it's looking real good. I'm really liking this cook system right now, so pretty cool. Pretty cool. Time to go ahead and plate up. So got my little cutting board here, and just gonna try and find a somewhat of a level spot. I think that'll do it right there. I'll probably just grab these. Boom, boom. I think those are good to go. I don't need the grill anymore, so get those off of there. Boy, that rice sure soaked up that water, I'll tell you that much. Not a whole lot of water left in there. Go ahead and get these coals together. Throw the rest of my firewood on here. Cut my bag of rice open. And try to get it all in the canteen cup. It's the finished product, guys. Worked out real nice. Tell the Lord thank you for my meal. I want to say thank you for joining me also. As you can see, you don't really need a whole lot. You can get a lot accomplished in a small kit. And yeah, I really enjoy this Pathfinder Canteen Cook System that I've put together. I do have a plate in my pack, but I wanted to actually test this out to see if this would work. And it does work. It's not as, you know, maybe as comfortable as having an actual plate, but it works. So yeah, I hope this inspires you guys to maybe put together your own cook system, your own cook kit. These little kits are super versatile. It's not ultralight, but it's still pretty lightweight. You know, if you keep the other components of your pack down to minimal weight, you won't even really notice it. But I'm going to enjoy my meal. And yeah, I think that's all from me, guys. God bless you. You guys have a great night. I'll catch you guys on the next video.